Say something.
Hi.
There we are, about to. Just got picked up at the airport. Sunshine State RV van. And then we're about to head over to see our RV. You excited?
Yes. Are you excited? Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Here's the van they picked us up in. It's a Sprinter. There it is, we're here.
Get you guys all unloaded. Front door's right there behind that pickup truck.
Cabinets.
Now that we got married, I can't carry you over, so.
The new modern grade cabinets. You got the new fancy countertop.
Wow.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nice.
Take my shoes off. I don't want to dirty it.
Uh-oh. We're gonna clean it. So after the walkthrough's over, we're gonna go through and clean outside, inside again. Just get it all
This is my
freshened
workstation.
up. Yeah.
My
Got the
workstation.
workstation. You got the new floors. You got the new countertop. The new cabinet colors. You got the new Wi-Fi extender. There you go.
Kick on. And right now it's saying no sound. I'm gonna show you how to change this. Bobby, I gotta teach him how to do this too. So right now it's saying no sound because I don't have the JBL system on ARC, and that would play out of here. All right. So what I'm gonna do is gonna hit the settings button right here, and I'm gonna go down to sound. And see where it says HDMI ARC? I want to click on that. I want to go to optical out device plus TV. Okay, so I'm gonna click that there. So now it should come out of the TV. Okay, so now I can still have the radio playing in the mouth. They want me to. So if I change this up here to HDMI ARC, which is that right there, it's automatically switched as a TV. Now it should be playing out of here.
Then how did you pay for yours
So
as a
it's playing
kid?
out of,
Yeah.
Broke at 100, exactly.
Gotcha.
So he would not, and he came
Okay, so
back
now I can
without
show it
the
from
soda
there.
for me. So then I had to go get one. And he broke
So this is just local channels it's getting from the antenna?
and now if I just switch that back or turn that off, turn that system off.
Some name brand medications. I'm ready to start losing weight. How do I get started with Zelky? Just text program.
How do you change it to here?
To get
Yep, right
started
there.
today with
What was it again?
ARC, ARC, right there. Now the TV will switch to that.
Gotcha. All right. So this would change the JBL settings system. All right, cool.
Right, say it's kind of nice day out, and I don't want nobody coming to RV. See right between there?
Oh, I got you. Yeah, like a little vent.
Yes, and that's open, exposed out there. You can see right on the side out there, and it's still open. So now I can just lock it all the way back behind it.
I wonder if the AC is on or if the
It
jet.
says, oh, what does that say? Oil temperature?
No. Here are our satchels.